Hi, my name is Rick with Sweet Fountains. I'm here to show you the assembly of our semi-commercial chocolate fountains. Please note the semi-commercial units are not for heavy-duty users. They're for the light-duty occasional user, and we strongly suggest that you use SF Signature chocolate in them. We have two units here today. We have the Alpine and the Shasta. We also have a third unit called the Arctic, which is similar to the Shasta but taller and a touch wider. The Shasta is 23 inches tall. It has a removable bowl. Please note there's also a small pin here, and that pin is what holds and keeps your auger in place. You'll also see when the bowl's off there's some seals, and those seals we send you some extras of. As needed, if you have chocolate leakage, you would want to replace those seals. First thing we'll do here, we're just going to, the bowl screws on clockwise. It's fairly simple. Screw on bowl, and then you get your bowl locked into place. Second step with the Shasta chocolate fountain, and this is the Arctic fountain, similar, it's just a little bit taller, it has another tier stack, so but for the most part the assembly is the same. Next thing we're going to do is put on the auger. You're going to kind of just set it into place, and you just want to make sure that the pins lock into place. We have an all stainless steel auger, all good quality welds on it, and then this is what we call the tier stack or the tower. This comes down, and you want to make sure that the little peg in the auger goes through the center. And you're going to turn this counterclockwise. This is very important. The fountain, your bowl goes on clockwise, so turning to the right to tighten. The tiers go on counterclockwise. So instead of naturally going to turn them to the right, if you turn them to the right, nothing's going to happen. It still stays loose. You want to turn these to the left to tighten. And so it's reverse threaded, but as you turn these counterclockwise, that'll snug down. And once again, make sure your bowl's tight, and then this will tighten down on top of your bowl. When it's all done here, you'll hear a little rattling from the auger inside, just a teeny bit, but once the chocolate's in there, you won't hear it. And then the final step on this is you're just going to slide the crown piece or top hat onto there, and you have your assembly done. You do want to note on the Arctic, the assembly is slightly different on top. The three-part whole portion is in with your top hat, but in the Arctic it's maybe about that tall. So we'll go ahead and fire this up. We got motor and heat going. You will notice just a little bit of noise because there's no chocolate in the unit. Do note you have leveling feet down below. It's always important to make sure your fountain's level. Your heat's in here. You got a thermostat on it. You can adjust the heat to the proper setting. And so you'll have heat down in here, and then your auger will spin in here. Go ahead and shut the motor off. And do note when there's chocolate in there, this is an extremely quiet fountain. You won't even barely know it's running. And so that is the Shasta unit and similar assembly for the Arctic. This unit here is the Alpine, a little bit different design. Also has a removable bowl. All SF Pro Series fountains, besides our dual fountain, all have removable bowls, which is a great feature for your fountains. This one here has a different bowl. I actually kind of like this bowl because it locks into place. It just sits down here, and you just turn it, and you're locked in. Once you're done with that, next step, same thing. You have your auger, stainless steel auger. It goes onto the triangle portion here. And then this one is a little bit different tier stack. It's just the three prongs at the bottom. And it slides into place. The assembly is a little bit quicker with the Alpine unit than it is with the Shasta or Arctic. One thing with the Alpine is you want to make sure that if the fountain's off level, you're going to hear it clanking a little bit. The auger does sit in here loose. That is totally normal. All you want to do is make sure you use the leveling feet and level the fountain, out so it's to the right level. In this situation, I'm going to try to bring this one back up in a little bit. And there you go. And then you have the Alpine fountain. And once again, both these fountains, one level with chocolate, operate almost nearly silent. Do make sure they're level. This assembly will be shown in the next video. Thank you.